The truth is, your Agile project management tool is either helping you and your teams move fast and stay more aligned, or it is slowing you down, adding more confusion, and adding to the already daunting admin tasks you already have than adding value. Now, listen very well. Tools do not solve problems. It do not improve processes. However, using the right tools and using them right can streamline your workflow and help you put the value into the hands of the customers even quicker than you can ever imagine. In this video today, I'm going to be sharing 5 top tools of agile project management that every person should know. These are tools that I've used myself. I've tried many tools out there throughout my experience. These top 5 ones are the ones that I believe are very effective, and I have categorized them based on their purpose and value. So please stay tuned and watch until the very end. For those who don't know me, my name is Karen Fomafung, your favorite business agility, AI, and career coach, where I help people to achieve value faster. For those who don't know me, my name is Karen Fomafung, your favorite business agility, AI, and career coach, where I help people to leverage business agility and AI to achieve value faster. If this is your first time here, please turn on that subscription button and the notification bell. Go back and watch hundreds of other videos that we've been posting over the years so you can stay in sync with what we do here on weekly basis. Also, click that like button and share with your network so that we can reach more viewers. Thank you so very much. I usually like to coach my clients that tools do not fix broken processes. However, the right tools based on the problem you're trying to solve can really help boost collaboration, streamline your workflow, help with alignment and visibility into the work you're doing, and that will help you put that value into the hands of the customers even quicker than you can ever imagine. Now, let's quickly go right into the 5 key tools that every agile project management practitioner should be looking into. The very first tool that I would like to recommend is Jira, and Jira is best for large and regulated teams. So if you're an organization that is highly regulated and you are scaling, Jira should be what you should be going for. I would have suggested Azure DevOps because I really do like Azure DevOps because of their capacity planning functionality. However, the basic Azure DevOps is not optimized to cover at scale. So if you are highly regulated, I would suggest Jira because its capabilities allows you to cover your work management process at scale. So what I mean is that's really the only tool so far that I've seen that has advanced workflow management. The other ones are trying, but Jira is really on top of things. If you had asked me 2 years ago, I would have been suggesting ADO. But in the past 2 years, Jira has done tremendous work to upgrade, enhance their tools to a point where it just keeps me wow all the time. Now, the second tool that I will recommend, have you ever heard of ClickUp? ClickUp is the all-in-one project management tool, and this one is best for small and medium-sized businesses. It's also best for solopreneur businesses. It is best for startup companies. This all-in-one project management is very cost-effective, and what I find very interesting in this tool is it's an all-in-one in the sense that you can manage your workflow. You can document everything only on that same document. You can actually have a conversation, like continuous collaboration and conversation on that particular tool. So it helps you manage your workflow, documents, dashboard, sprints, all in one place. That's the amazing thing. And for small and medium-sized businesses, solopreneurs who are always looking to save costs, they're still, trying to grow their business. I see this tool as the perfect tool to help you achieve that. The third tool, monday.com. So monday.com is best if you're looking for something of more visual planning capabilities. It is best for marketing companies. So if you're a marketing company, you're a researching company, you are a data management company, something like that, monday.com will be best to help you manage your kind of work, track issues, and do a lot of visual planning. I also really love it for hybrid teams, and most especially, it has some very, very interesting automation functionalities. And most especially, it has some very interesting, easy dashboard and automation functionalities. So if you are still a beginner and you're looking to be able to generate dashboards very, very easily, maybe you're struggling with Power BI skills, you're struggling with Tableau skills, and you're looking for an easy dashboarding system and automation, monday.com is what you should be going for. The fourth tool, which I love so very much, Miro. Miro to me is one of the most amazing tools, and the purpose for that is for whiteboarding, virtual whiteboarding. You know, in this day and age, most organizations are now doing things digitally. Even organizations that are 100% on site, when they go to these conference rooms, nobody still goes to a physical whiteboard and be writing anything on it, because it's really not that efficient anymore. Even in your on-site job duties, hybrid, so it supports all on-site, hybrid, and 100% remote work setting. So the reason why I love Miro so much is because it has thousands of amazing different kinds of templates you can use for any reason whatsoever. It also gives you as an individual an opportunity to be creative, because you coming up with a creative whiteboard idea. Miro actually gives you the platform to actually sell your template to them, and they add it to their backlog of templates, and that way people can come in there, just pick a template, and straight you go. You don't have to always start things from scratch, and Miro gives you that capability. So if you are looking for a very, very effective whiteboarding tool that helps you brainstorm ideas together as a team, flesh things out in a big, never-ending infinity space with millions of templates, Miro is what you should be going for. I've tested many other whiteboarding tools like Zoom whiteboarding. I've used Microsoft whiteboarding. I've also used Mural. But I'll tell you, Miro is like 20, 50 steps ahead of all the other tools. I'll be very curious and be very honored to talk better about these other tools, as long as they are committed to continuously optimize the functionalities of their whiteboarding capabilities. Now, the very last tool that I'm going to be talking about will wow you. It's just going to blow your mind, because you'll be so surprised on how this thing have been in your eyes all along, but you never knew how good it was. So please stay tuned and watch until the very end. Now, before I talk about the very last tool, I just want to let you know very quickly that the next cohort of our Agile Scrum Master classes is starting on the 1st of July. Enrollment is already ongoing. So if you have been looking into transitioning into this career path as an Agile project manager, a Scrum Master, Agile Coach, release train engineer, product manager, product owner, program manager, we can definitely help you through our customized Agile training programs. So please visit our website. That's our contact information right there, beingagileconsulting.com. Learn more, give us a call, send us an email if you have follow-up questions. Otherwise, just go ahead and enroll as soon as you can. Now, if you've been in the job market forever, you're fed up, you are gradually losing hope, you just don't know what to do anymore, we have a fantastic mentorship and coaching program that will help you with hands-on experience, and as a result of that, your confidence will be automatically boosted. We've helped thousands of people with wonderful testimonies all over the place. We don't just talk about our results as much as we should. Our results usually speak for themselves. and which is why 80% of our client base are usually from referrals. So if you've been in that position, you're looking to transition, you're certified, you've taken the foundation training, but you're just not sure how to finally cross over and land that first opportunity, you need to be pruned, you need to be purged. You need to purge yourself, and our level 2 program help you achieve that. If you are already in the field, yet struggling to show your value, in this 2025, nobody is paying anybody to come and talk agile. Nobody is doing that anymore. They are paying you to come and be able to deliver value, and for you to help them see your delivering value, you should be skilled in showing your value. Our level 3 program help you to achieve just that. A level 3 program gives you the strategies to be able to position yourself to gain countless promotions back to back. A level 3 program helps you to be able to stand out in your organization. So reach out to us, and most especially if you are looking for career progression to level up. Maybe you're currently a Scrum Master, a project manager, or even an Agile Coach, and you're looking to level up to senior Agile coaching positions. We have a fantastic training, mentorship, and coaching master program for Agile coaches. So come and I will personally coach you if you want me to coach you. We have many other coaches, but if you want me to be your coach, I'll be more than glad to do so. Come and I will help you to show you how to even be better than me, as a professional, experienced Agile coach who is focused on delivering back-to-back value to their organizations. Thank you so very much. Now let's talk about the very last tool. Have you heard about Kanban Zone? That is the 5th tool that I want to touch on. Kanban Zone, I can guarantee that not so many people have heard about Kanban Zone. It is a fantastic tool for mostly if you want to keep things very simple and everything in one place, dashboarding, work management, and easy and issues tracking all in one place. Kanban Zone is the tool you should be going for. Just like its name, it's best for teams that are brand new to Agile. It is best for teams that are in the middle of their transition. It is best for teams that are top of their transition. And most especially, it is best for startup companies. It is best for small and medium-sized companies as well. It's even best for larger corporations. However, if you are so focused on small and medium-sized businesses, you will not find any other tool out there that is better than Kanban Zone. Go look it up. They even actually have a mobile version. So if you go to Google Play, you should be able to find the mobile version there, Kanban Zone. Try it out and let me know what you think. I'm very sure you'll be very happy discovering this from Being Agile Consulting channel today. This is going to be the end of the video. In our next video, I'm going to bring you more tools that are used for different reasons. Until then, again, my name is Fomafung, your favorite business agility, AI, and career coach, where I help people to succeed with anything agile. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.